Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying black screen issue when you try to stream Netflix on Discord. The process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So the first place we need to look is inside Discord itself. We are going to change one simple setting. First, go ahead and open your Discord application. Now, once you're inside your Discord application, simply look at the very bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Right over there, you should find User Settings. Click on that. In this Settings menu, scroll down until you see an option called Voice and Video. Click on that. Now, once this menu appears, scroll down to the Video section. Over here, scroll down and you should be able to find the option called Hardware Acceleration, which is this one right over here. All you have to do is turn this off and then click OK. Now, if you are given a pop-up to confirm, just press OK to confirm disabling the video hardware acceleration. Once you've done that, complete the same process on your browser as well. So simply open your desired browser like, for example, Google Chrome. Now, inside Google Chrome, open Discord. So simply search for Discord and then log into Discord. Now, simply wait for a few seconds, and then once inside Discord on your browser, go to User Settings, scroll down, click on Voice and Video. Then, scroll down to the Video section. Again, scroll down, and you should be able to see an option called Hardware Acceleration if it is available. Now, if you are unable to find any type of hardware acceleration on the Discord web app itself, then click on the three dots of your browser, go to Settings, and in the search panel, search for Graphics. And right away, you should be able to see an option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Make sure to disable this option as well. And now, once you've done both of them, restart both the browser and the application. And now you can stream Netflix from your desktop application and your browser as well. So that's it. You now know how to stream Netflix on Discord smoothly without any interruptions. So I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.